I wake up early on Saturday. I wake up early on Saturday.
My room is a little messy. My room is a little messy.
I pick up my clothes. I pick up my clothes. I put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I dust the table. I dust the table.
I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
I collect the dust. I mop the floor. I mop the floor. I clean the windows. I clean the windows. I organize my books. Organize my books. I organize my books. Organize my books. I empty the trash bin.